As specified in the last episode, this episode is on Windows settings and some crazy tricks. If you haven't watched the last episode, click there. Okay, before going, I have a question for you. Are you using your mobile hotspot for internet in Windows? If you do so, the last one is for you. So, watch till end. Now without a further go, let's start the episode. Hi guys, this is Brian from Root Mentor. One, dark theme. You should have been amazed when you look at the other Windows user. He had dark theme enabled, but you wonder where the option to opt the dark theme. So, here is the one. To set up dark theme on Windows, right-click on the desktop and go to Personalization option. And in Personalization window, locate the Colors tab and click it. And from your color, change to dark. And now dark theme is applied to Windows. 2. Overwriting. You often see this issue while you are about to edit Word in your document, and you see the letter to the right gets overwritten by the new letter. To solve this issue, simple click INS key on your keyboard. That's easy. Let's go to the next one. 3. Hiding files. To hide a file, select the file you want to hide, and use Alt plus Enter key on keyboard to open Properties panel. From the Attributes section, click the Hidden option and click Apply. And now you can see your file is no more visible. To view hidden file, click on the View option on the top, and from the below click the View Hidden Files. Now you can see hidden file. Now again click Alt Enter and uncheck the Hidden option and apply. Now your file is visible to all. 4. Creating custom shortcuts. Shortcuts, we love them. So, to create custom shortcut to open application or folder, follow these steps. Select the file you want to create shortcut, and create a link to it. You can see there is a desktop shortcut here. Now right-click on it and go to Properties panel. Here you can see a shortcut key assign option. Give your desired shortcut. After assigning the key, click Apply and close window. Note, this process works only when you run any application. Now click the shortcut key you have given. And you can see your application opens up. 5. Shake your windows. When you're working with multiple windows, and if you want to minimize all windows except one, select the top bar of the window you don't want to minimize. And by holding the left mouse, shake the window, and you can see all other windows are minimized. To bring back all windows, again do the same process. 6. Custom icons. The best way of organizing your workspace is creating your own custom icons. To do so, click on the link in the description and skip the first page to redirect to this page. Now drag the image to the website. From drop-down select ICO format, and click Convert. After the converting, click Download, and close your browser. Now let's change this folder to our channel icon. To do so, go to the Properties panel of the folder, and click on the Customization tab. Click on the Change icon, and locate your downloaded file using Browse option. After selecting your file, click OK. Now click on Apply and close window. Boom. Now your folder icon is changed an image. 7. Snap window. To snap a window to right of screen, hit Windows key and right arrow. to left. Hit Windows key and left arrow. When you click Windows key and down arrow 2 times, the window minimizes. Cool. Let's move on to next one. 8. Screen record. I think many of you don't know this. But no problem, here we are. So let's go to it. Note, this process doesn't work on desktop or File Explorer. So, open the application you want to record, and press Windows G on keyboard, which will open the Xbox recording pop-up. Now click on the white dot to start recording, and click this check mark also. And now you can see the recording timer. 9. Virtual desktop. Setting up a virtual desktop is very easy in Windows 10. To do so, click on Windows key and tab on your keyboard. Now you can see a new desktop option. Click on it, which will now open a new clean desktop with no other applications running on taskbar. 10. For hotspotters. When you connect your Windows to your mobile hotspot, after some time you get message like, you have completed 50% or 100% of daily data. To avoid this, follow this step. At the bottom right of screen, click on this icon, which will open the available Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your hotspot name, and click Properties. A new window will open, and scroll down and enable metered connection. This process disables their background usage of the internet in Windows. That's all for this episode. And if you know cool tricks other than one we specified, comment below. Thanks for watching this episode. We will be back again.